Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's learn about the collection of individuals who come together and interact with each other. So here are some of the groups of animals. Let's learn this. A group of sheep is called flock. A group of owls is called as pack. A group of lions, pride. A group of cats, clouder. A group of monkeys, troop. A group of fish, shoat. A group of horses, herd. A group of ants, colony. A group of snake, bed. A group of crocodile, float. And learn some group of birds. And a group of crows, murder. Next, a group of owls, parliament. A group of chicks, clutch. A group of hens, brood. A group of parrots, company. A group of vultures, venue. A group of pigeons, flock. A group of peacocks, muster. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos and more information. Thank you.